I'm Arran. I work at the Breadwinner Bakery. I have worked at the Breadwinner Bakery for just over 8 years now. Around 14 years ago, we moved from Bruntsfield to the business that we're in just now, South Gyle, and we became more focused on wholesale. Turning point for us was after COVID, we became fully vegan. So all the products we make are plant-based, is what we class them as. One of our more staple products is a cinnamon bun. So I'd say that was one of our high quality and most known products now. Also, my personal favourite is our sourdough. Anything that you can make with it is really good. So they're our staple products, I would say. Parts of Cybake that we use, the main part is kind of the ordering section. So we, as a business, of course, we need to take orders in from customers. We need to put them into the system and log them. So there's, in the ordering section, we have just the daily orders. So we type the customer name in, we put the orders in the system. That once all the orders are put in the system, we can generate reports so we can lead production so they know what to make. We have a part of the ordering section called adjustments, so if any orders go wrong, we can essentially credit the order before it gets processed. We have a recipes section, so all our products we have to create recipes for. This also has a sort of margin maker which allows us to cost up the recipe. That was built into it as well. We have an ingredients section which allows us for doing the recipes. We can put the prices in, we can put our suppliers in. So it kind of covers all bases for having what we need in the bakery. We can also produce purchase orders for our suppliers so we can match off any incoming deliveries. In terms of how Cybake's helped us improve from the situation we had before till now, Cybake is cloud-based, so you just log online and it's sitting there. And just having it online means the risk of it going down is a lot less. The system was, of course, you had to learn it, but it was easy enough to understand. A lot of the packing sheets and stuff we used to use before, they looked different, but the information was the same. So it's just trying to teach people where to look to find that information as opposed to the position they looked before. It has proven to be quite a major part of the business at the moment. Yes, I would recommend Cybake to other bakeries. From all the stuff I've mentioned before, it's a pretty easy system to use. You could train anybody up on it. They're very forthcoming with trying to help you, trying to make your system built around what you want. And the main thing for me is having access to it anywhere you go is very important in being a business.